Nah, it's not good. It's not bad.
What do I need to get? Original? Alright, gotta get original.
Oh, look at the little doggy. What's up, pal?
I don't like it. I don't like it out, bro. It was good until it came up, Paul.
Night market.
Look, hey, going in with the Drake flow, rap snatch with the Drake.
Right, they talking to your wife, bro?
Yeah.
Check out this night market, man. Got the hat on. Alright. Chicken feet.
It's not hot, but it's pretty good.
Oh, I need it hot. I need it hot. Yeah, if I was gonna try, I need it hot.
Okay.
What's up? Ni hao. Ni hao.
You eat everything.
What is that?
Hulu. You hear the song in Korean? Like a sugar. Like sugar. You can get one. Covered by the the fruit.
What I got here for me?
Ooh. Yeah. That's what I say. Two kind of things on. One with the sauce. It's a spicy one.
What is it called? Snaky tofu?
Yeah, it's sticky tofu with this one. Duck blonde, mushrooms.
Oh, no.
I'll try anything. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a real.
That shit was fire, JJ?
Fire, bro. What is it called? Tangulu. I feel like I'm in Nigeria, man.
Tangulu.
Nah, it's not good.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's not bad. It's not good. It's not good.
But that kimchi straight though, right?
That's way better. You have to eat together.
Yeah, they say you gotta mix it together. I'm about to mix it in there.
Y'all don't actually like it.
Hey, try this.
What's this? Dumplings? It's cold? It's hot. What's on
The
this
dumpling part tastes a lot better. Pork. Oh yeah. Stinky tofu ain't it?
At all. Sticky tofu was a D minus. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, see, I know that shit gonna be fire.
Not good.
This?
Good.
Oh my goodness. The dumpling always fire, bro. The dumpling?
It's not the best one. Okay.
It's not the best one?
It's not the good one. Oh my God. What's with that? I can't even good.
This is not good, brother. This is not good, brother.
That's good, thanks. But tomorrow, you can tell Reed.
Try that shit, man. That dumpling fire. Stinky tofu.
Hey, how does
Man. I'm gonna talk about beef tongue. Night market. Your boy try stinky tofu. Where Ed at, man? Where Ed at? Ed. Ed love this shit, huh? Korean delicacy. Oh no, mini donuts. Cilantro pizza right here. That shit good? Bro?
I said that though. We eat everything.
Nah. Yeah, I got one right here, but I don't eat pork. Leo, what you said? My boy got me a sausage, but I ain't eating no sausage on a stick while I'm walking. Sorry, my boy.
I don't like it. I don't like really loud, bro. It was good until it came up, Paul. Hey, it was good. Seriously, bubbles. It's in the sweet potato bowls. They're made from the same. I gotta look at it. You gotta look at it.
I got a kebabs out here.
Just like the stuff you just ate.
The dumpling, that shit was hot?
Yeah, that was hot inside.
Bro, I seen the mark when we was swimming. I thought it was just a scratch.
Nah, it was more like a burn. It was more like a burn. But I didn't know it was hot inside, so it was like a cheese. It just came down.
It's fake?
That's fake. You want the cucumber that bad?
You ain't supposed to be eating no cucumber outside, my boy.
Raw dog in the
On a stick, bro. Chill, Leo. No, you're not eating that cucumber.
No, I say eat quick, eat.
No, we're not gonna let you eat a cucumber, all right? Not out here, on a stick. Oh, look at the little doggy. What's up, pal? No. Fried octopus. Which one I need to get? Original? All right, I'll get original then.
That way, he'll get you and eat together.
We gotta get some drink. Nah, bro. I don't drink, man. Black man don't drink.